Hello, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk a little bit about this Southern Pacific Class C Consolidation. We're running tonight on the glorious outside third rail. So those are your pickups here. And pulling a string of reefers, some lowball, some scalecraft, some scratch built. And this was built by Rupprecht. And how do we know that? Well, Lewis must have built two of these engines. You can see up here the other one. This is from May 1938 model Craftsman. Lewis was the president of the LA-based Century Model Railroad Club, and they were in the Southern Pacific Station in Los Angeles, so no doubt they would have to be fairly faithful to the Southern Pacific Railroad. Now, Lewis is given credit for building this. It does have the working valve gear here. He may have built it by scratch, or... Now, Lewis could have built this all from scratch. Here you have the axle with the driver for the eccentric. Lewis has his name stamped down here. Or he may have bought these chassis from Ken Henry in Baltimore, who's famous for the Baltimore and Ohio portable layout. As you can see, this has the suspension. So he built a frame with inside of a frame, and that's Ken Henry's classic signature suspension. And he did sell chassis. So the fact that Lewis had two of these running at the layout, which was called the Century Pacific, he easily could have just bought two chassis and built the rest around it. Just a small little building tip. Most old engines, you only have to run one wire to the tender, and in the old school they would commonly use these dress snaps, male and female, and just use that to run your current, because you only need one pin. And we'll zoom in on that working valve gear. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe.